lost an email account or email on an iPhone and you don't know how to fix it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. To fix, if you have lost your email account or emails on iPhone, you just need to check all of your mailboxes. So you just need to open the mail app, and from here you just need to check all of the open the mail app, and you just tap on the mailbox and check all of the inbox like junk, trash or archive. And sometimes emails are also accidentally moved to all of it. So if you don't find it over here, you just need to open settings on your device, and under settings you just need to scroll down until you see the option of apps. So click on it, and from here you just need to scroll down until you see the option of mail. So under mail here you will see the option of mail accounts, all of mail to access and all of it. So click on the option of mail account at the very top, and here you will see the option of iCloud, add account or fetch new data. So click on the option of account, and you just need to check if your email account is listed or not. So if your email account is listed, then it is okay. So if it is not listed, then you just need to tap on the option of add account, and you just need to select the provider to sign in from here. So after selecting the provider, you just need to make sure that your email is enabled. So if it is not enabled, then you won't be able to find it again. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to simply restart your iPhone by pressing on the volume down and power button at the same time. So this helps to fix the common issues on an iPhone. So this may also help to fix the issue of lost email on iPhone. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue of lost email on iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.